And here we are at Mertailors Aquarium Encounter.
Hi guys, welcome in.
Boom. Ba, ba, ba. Ba, ba, do, ba.
Have you been with us before?
No, man.
Oh, welcome. I don't know why it's like
Boom, boom. Mermaid in the tank. Haha. Oh, look at those. Oh, that's pretty cool. Huh. Under the sea, somewhere waiting for me.
Epileptic.
What is that?
Epileptic.
An epileptic sir?
No, epileptic. So yeah, you got one
Oh,
drop.
look at this, coming right up to the top here. Guess you're not supposed to touch it. You would like it.
Black spots on the back.
We just wanted to drop in and watch the mermaid practice while she was practicing. Now we're going the right way. Aquarium entrance. Ah, a lot of filtering. Wow. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Hello. Look at you beautiful birds. Wow. Oh, baby. Beautiful. Sailing. Wow, cool.
which is what they eat. They might try to eat your fingers. The other reason why we don't want to have our hands down in there is because it'll scare them away. So if we pull them back up onto this thing, they can't see our hands. This kid right here is a pro. You want him.
This place is fantastic. It's like our own little aquarium right here.
That's a guitar fish. That's
Some really neat stuff.
we'll classify it as a shark fin.
Wow.
Yeah. Yep. And then these guys are keyhole lipids. They're a type of sea snail. You can pet them also. Just please don't touch them right there. That's not an eyeball. That's their butt. Please don't poke my friends in the butt.
Wow.
No. Got that one and there's another one hiding back here.
Look at this. This is incredible.
Okay.
I mean, from the outside, the place just looks like a little hole in the wall. This is totally awesome. Look at this.
You folks do large groups?
Man.
I'm sorry?
You folks do large groups, 20, 30 people?
Can we do 2 large groups?
This is incredible. Oh, look at that baby. Look at that baby. Hello. Look at you. Ah, man.
These fins right here, they kind of use his little feet. They use those to walk on the land.
Wow.
And now this guy, you can see that he's got a chunk missing out of his fin back here. He was with the other sharks in the other tank. They were bullying him and they bit that off. So we put him over here. He's doing pretty good in this tank. Everyone's being nice to him, but we call him Chunk now.
What's the one behind him?
That's a horn shark.
Horn shark, okay.
There's 2 of those in here, a male and a female. And they're pretty docile. They're good to him.
Wow. These rays there are amazing.
What's this, Dad?
That's a horseshoe crab.
Yeah, look on the other side of his underneath bark. Look over here.
I think those two have a love triangle going on. That is weird. They got something going on. Huh? Those poop in it. Oh, look at that. Wow. Okay, this place is totally awesome. Like I said, from the road it looks like a little hole in the wall place, but it's like, and it's not particularly big, but man, there is like, it's jam-packed with things of interest. Amazing. Just, oh my God, look at this. Wow. This is a fantastic addition to Citrus County. Wow. Just incredible. Whew. So get on over here. Right on 44, just past the end of Homosassa Trail. Oh, look at that. Oh my God, look at that. Oh my God. Wow. Look at them all. Oh, wow. My God, look at that thing. Wow. Purple haze. Ba-da-ba-ba. That's amazing. Wow. Look at that thing. What an amazing creature. He wraps his tail. Wow. Oh my God, is that a mother and child? No. Maybe they all are. Wow. Man, oh man, look at that thing, my God. Wow. Oh my God. Yeah. Wow. Amazing. Oh my God, look at that thing. That is a fish. Wow. Oh, he's rolling something.
I thought it looked like it had something in it.
Yeah, it's like he's cleaning a stone. Fascinating. Okay, this looks like blue and white in the camera. In real life, it looks more like black and white. Those fish, particularly. And these are tiny little things. There's my hand.
You see the tiny honeycomb?
My God, look at that. That's amazing. Wow. He's just at the tip of your finger. That's amazing. Look at the little thing. Wow. And we got a small turtle here. You can always count on Turtles to ham it up for the camera.
Good afternoon and welcome to Mertailors' Mermaid Aquarium encounter. We're so happy to have you here. Our show is about